Hello! Hosting on the disaster. I told you my hobby again. I quit. And I told my birthday coming in that month. How you enjoy that beautiful? Like, comment, support, let's begin. You my channel, hit the bell icon. Okay, up to more beautiful. Let's begin. So you might drop me. My friend sent me the gift, drop me the order. I dropped the take a while to get here. Oh yeah, my Gmail address, my Gmail down the description, and my email address down the description, and my email Instagram down the description. Let's begin. I'm gonna show you almost like this. Ooh. What that Mo got me that to get on Instagram. We got that on Instagram. Oh, not Instagram. We got it on out. What Atmet. My friend was in Pitboyan got me this at the get. And I'll show you all. I'll show you. I won this the first place on his channel. I'll you not about. Win first place. Omega Marvel got me there at the get. Antique. Penny Doll got me this at the get. That's right, 19. Backyard Bullion got me this at the get. $2 ounce. Okay. This one about 10 ounce at my soda bar. So let me show you this and I'll show you it again. This one takes about 3 months and a quarter to get here. One that bigger out the shoulder. Oh yeah. Then my 110 ounce gold. I quit 1 ounce shoulder bar. All here we got out at Matt. Or some of the J Bullion. The one my favorite. Here my poor shoulder question. Gold me quit. We got that at Met. I'm a big fan of shoulder. I'll show you these things. I'll show you more than just shoulder. I'll show you other hobby we quit. GEC, Great Evening Quality Night. So let me show you again. I want to show you my hobby. Great Evening Quality, GEC Power. Require 2 hands to open. 1 hand open. Here, someone called a lot of money, but my friend got me this at a get. GEC Northfield. I'm telling you, so you deep. Here, my underwear, do your car, I collect. Here's the underwear. Did my underwear. Going on seafood wear. I'm a big fan of YuGiOh car. I quit YuGiOh car about 20 years ago. Now we darn quit YuGiOh car again. And I love to collect it. And I love to collect that. Oh yeah, my birthday. My birthday is coming very soon. My birthday on May 16th is coming up very soon. I will turn 35-year-old this year. I just tell you my birthday. My birthday about next month on the 16th of May. I love the quest. I quit. Roller, night, do your car, sister. Sister. Hear my sister. And other stuff. Until then, that's all the hobby we got here. Well, hope you enjoy my hobby I quit right here. And I hope to get more stuff soon. Well, hope you enjoyed that video. Like, comment, support, share it with your friend. Hope do more build it. Doing it, my day off, my friend. If I'm May day safe, best day, the day off, my friend. And my email address, and my Instagram, and my Gmail down in the description. And day off it, and keep continuing to do more hobby. Hope you get more of your hobby soon. My hobby is the best thing. Keep that.